In discussion 3, our biggest focus was the Middle Ages and what challenges the medieval thinkers had to actually overcome. The biggest thing that we all came to was that scientific method was still very young. There wasn't very much to it, and it was very strongly opposed. I think the entire group was kind of agreeing that superstition, religion, and most importantly indoctrination were big challenges for that time. One of the biggest things that I took out of the reading and the lectures was that realistically it was almost like philosophy was used to transition between the religion and the science. It was very challenging for the church to accept the way that science was taking its power, so a lot of individuals were persecuted for that, and that really slowed the evolution of psychology as a science. A couple of the people brought up some really good points. Harold brought up that they used actually religious exercises like exorcism to try and overcome mental illnesses, which today seems ridiculous, but at that time it was a way for the church to maintain their control. Another point that was brought up that I felt was a very strong one by Madison was that they really didn't have any stronger tools than just observation. Today we have a lot of resources that have helped us to evolve into a stronger science, but at that time we really were, we didn't have very many things to use except for this is what we'd seen, and we could only do quasi-science assuming that there was a correlation from one action and assuming its cause. This actual section was really interesting to me because it shows what we had to overcome in order to get psychology to the point that it is. And it also showed kind of a birthing point of when psychology started to deviate from other sciences, and as well as philosophy and religion that it was almost birthed from. So it was kind of a cool section for me. Thank you.